Very warm welcome to our English class. So today we will be learning a very new lesson that is written by R.K. Narayan, a very famous Indian poet. I think you have heard about his name, Ramas Rashipuram Krishna Swami Narayan. His full name was, and he is a very foremost Indian writer in English. He wrote many novels and short stories like The Man Eater, The English Teacher, Sweet Vendor, okay, The Guide, then Malgudi Days. The present story is from Malgudi Days. Okay, so the story that we are going to learn today, it is from the Malgudi Days. So this story, it is basically named as Rajam and Mani. Okay, the name of the story is Rajam and Mani. So Rajam, as you heard this name, that Rajam and Mani, you can understand that this is the name of two person. Okay, and there is another one, two character Rajam and Mani, and there is another one character mentioned in your book, that is Swaminathan. Okay, means in short it is called as Swami. So these three are childs. Okay, now we will come to know what is being told in this story about these three childs. Okay, it's a very nice story. As you will read the story in your book, you follow the lines, you can easily get to know what is being told. So I will be reading line basis on the line to line. I will try to explain you up. So let's start. So you see, Swami, it is being mentioned as Swami and his friends Mani are sitting on the bank of a river Sarayu. So Swami and Mani, so both of them were best friends. So they, along with their best friends, were sitting in the bank of the river Sarayu. Means just on the sides of the river. Bank means the side portions of the river. Okay, on the Sarayu, a pleasant area near the center of the town. So it's a very nice area. Where is the place? It is at the center of the town. Okay, Malgudi. Mani tells Swami that he wants to throw Rajam, a new student at their school, into the river. Rajam dresses well, speaks good English, gets good grades, and has impressed the class enough to be a rival of the powerful Mani. So what was Swami and Mani, these two friends, talking in between them? So they were talking that there is a new boy who has came to their school. His name was Rajam, and this Mani, he wants to throw Rajam into the river. Okay, he wants to throw Rajam into the river. As because the reasons are, he was a new student, he dresses well, means he wore good dresses, he gets good marks, he can speak good English, and the class was quite impressed by his performance. Okay, for this reason. So Swami point out that Rajam's father is a police superintendent. So when Mani says this, the Swami's father, means he says that Rajam's father is a police superintendent. Mani says that he doesn't care and hints that he might beat Swami if Swami gets too friendly with Rajam. So Mani, when Swami said this, he warned Swami, Mani warned Swami that be careful. I don't care the whatever his father's profession is, either is a police officer or not, but you be careful that you do not get too mixed up with Mani. Okay, to mix up with Rajan. So stay away from him. Swami said that no, I am not going to. I also hate him. I don't want to be with him. I am on your side. Swami said that I am with you, Mani. Okay, I don't like that boy. As the conflict between Mani and Swami grows in the following days, Swami acts as their go-between, passing notes full of insult and challenges from one to the other. So you see what is being told. As days goes now, there is a factor, the jealousy factor between these two boys, Rajam and Mani, slowly and gradually increases. Okay, during the class, Swaminathan, during the class time, Swaminathan is forced to stand on a bench. Means the teacher, he was forcing Swami to stand on a bench as a punishment, not casually, means just stand. It's not like that. Means as a punishment. Getting a question wrong at the end, Swami, Mani and Rajam gathers, and Mani and Rajam challenges each other to fight at the river at the following evening. So what happens, you see? So each and every day Swaminathan, for due to some wrong answers that the teachers asks him, if the teacher asks you a question and you give the answer in the wrong answer, okay, not a correct answer, gives it improperly, so obviously the teacher gives you a punishment, right? Not necessarily every teacher gives, but he or she might give you. So Swaminathan, he used to get frequent punishments. Okay, so as the classes ended, what is being told, you see, at the end of the day, when the school was all about to over, at the end of the day, Swami, Mani and Rajan, they all were getting together. Means Swami, Rajan and Mani. Okay, they all were getting together and they were talking for a fight. Okay, at the following evening, in the evenings. Okay. Mani asks Rajam to promise not to tell. So you see, Mani is so clever in character, as mentioned in the story. You see, as Swami has once warned Money that his father is a police superintendent, though he say that he doesn't get afraid, but even though he gets afraid from his inner feeling, because he is telling this Rajam not to tell his father about the fight. Okay, so Rajam promises Money that they won't be fighting, he won't be telling his father, and they agreed for the fight. The next evening Money arrives at the river. So the next evening what happens, Money came at the river bank, because they have thought of fighting at the river bank, right? So Money came at the river bank and they thought of fighting, and they both, Money and Rajam, both of them, they came, and even with Swami also came, and they bought their own weapons. Money bought a club and Rajam bought an air gun, okay, for fighting. The two talks awkwardly for a few minutes, and then Rajam asks Money what he has done to offended him. So what you see, both of them, before the fight they were talking, and they were all awkward moments, you can call it that. They were not talking good, they were all talking bad things. So those awkward moments, they called that they why they were talking, that why both of them they used to offend each other. Money answered that answered that when what he had done to Rajam had called him a snake behind his back, but Rajam denies doing so and says that he would not mind being friends. Money agrees that he would also be he would also be. So what you see, Money was telling Rajam that I have heard before the fight that you bully behind me, means you give many typical names at my back, and I come to know about that. So Rajam denies that I don't give you this kind of names. Maybe the person who is telling you, he or she may be speaking the not he may be speaking some false things. Okay, have you heard from your ear? No, you didn't heard. So you see, always in the casual life also, whenever someone tells you some fake news, okay, until and unless you get to hear from your own ear, or don't see it from your eyes, or you don't hear it, don't point that person, okay, means negatively. Saying false means false things. So both this kind of things were going on. So before the fight, both of them were confessing at each other that why do you call me, because there is a reason of fighting, and there is a reason of being jealousy, right? Why will Money and Rajam fight? Because they are friends. So the reason was, so as we read out the story, that we come to know about the reason, that the reason of fighting were that both of them used to bully each other. Okay, but Money asked him that why do you bully me? Then Rajam disagrees. He said that I do not bully you. Maybe the person who or she said you, or whom from you have heard, maybe speaking is not speaking the truth. Okay, so both of them, after this conversation, Rajam said that I won't deny to be a friend with you. Money at the same times agreed with him. Yes, I also want to be a good friend of yours. I also don't have any problem. Okay, so what had happened, you see, the Money agrees that he would also be glad to be a friend, and the two drops their weapons. And after that, what had happened? When they said that they won't deny from being friends, so both of them, they had dropped their weapons, the club and the fire gun that was bought by both of them for as a fight. They both have dropped their weapons up there. Swami, having secretly admired Rajam, is delighted at the turn of the events, and a new friend sits by the river eating cookies that Rajam brought to share. Now what you see, as Swami was noticing everything, right? Maybe the Swami was among the culprit here. Maybe he was telling any sort of false news. It can be, but it is not mentioned in the lesson. So Swami was watching them, that these both students, these both friends, they came here for a fight. Okay, they agreed for a fight, but now it's being seen that they have already sort out the matter, and they are friends now. So what had happened, that this story ends up at this only, and after that they were sitting at the stone in the bank of the river. There are big boulders caps, right? So they were sitting there, and Rajam has bought some cookies. So they both, Money and Rajam, they were eating those cookies and enjoying and having some conversations. So this is all about the story mentioned by R.K. Narayan. Okay, this is all about three children, Swaminathan, Rajam and Money. So whom they were, first of all they were a kind of enemy to each other, but later on they became friends. Okay, this is all about. Thank you.